She doesn't know.
The video took it. That is good. Oh my god. There's crap everywhere. They're fighting. Look at. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. I suppose I want to attack the bag of food. She's loving life.
Yeah, I know.
Just beating that bird. I have both of you taking videos.
Yeah.
Seagulls over here.
Yeah.
Ducks and then outsiders are like the pigeons and whatnot. Oh my gosh. Dump the whole bag, fucking funny.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Can you imagine this when that like start attacking the bag?
I know.
You think jump at it?
Can we go to the store and buy some seeds now?
Yeah.
You guys on video.
That's insane.
That's crazy, bird.
She reminds me of the lady from Home Alone. That's what I was telling you.
Yeah, the pigeon lady.
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, the first one was the best one.
Yeah. That's what she reminds me of. She just needs a hat.